Good morning. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install and set up the Timecard Checker application on iOS devices. The first step is going to be for us to access the App Store. Once in here, we are going to look for Timecard GPS. Once we find the application, we're going to install it. Let's click on Allow for the notifications. Here, we will need to enter the device ID and password. Remember that these details are going to be provided to you by your administrator. There's the disclaimer. We're going to click yes. This is in regards to the GPS tracking. We are going to click OK, allow while using the app. Now, at this point, as you can see, the only user on the application is what we call the main checker user. There's two different ways to add users into the application. The first one is via CSV files from the organization. So your administrator will take care of that part. But if you want to add users from the account, you can also do it by clicking on the plus sign on the top right corner. So let's do that. Here, the application is going to ask you for the credentials of the user that you are going to add. So let's go ahead and do that. Then click on login. Now there is a user, as you can see, it shows setup incomplete. This is because we need to create a PIN code for this user. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's click on the username, password, and now the PIN code that this user will use to log in and out. So there it is. At this moment, it is ready. There's just a couple of settings that I'd like to show you from the main checker profile. So let's go ahead and click on it. Let's enter the password for the profile and also a PIN code for it. Let's use that PIN code that we just created. Once in here, we can click on the menu on the top right corner and then the gear icon also on the top right corner. Now checker configuration, the third option. And if you want the workers to be able to change task during their shift, we can change the first two options to yes. Let's go back. Now let's click on exit. And now the application is ready to be used by the checker users. Let me show you very quickly on the same video how you can remove users from the app because maybe you don't need to have them in your device anymore. If that is the case, access the main checker profile again with the PIN code you created for it. Let's go to menu and now manage checker users. Click on the one you want to remove, the trash can, delete, and as you can see, the profile is gone. So this is how we can install and set up Timecard Checker on iOS devices. Thank you. Bye.